To create a Discord bot that generates text, go to discordapp.com/developers/applications and click on create an application. In this case, I am naming it text generator. Then click on create. Now click on bot and click on add bot to add the bot. Then click on yes, do it. Next, we need to download Python 3.6.8, so go to python.org and hover over downloads and click on Windows. Then search for Python 3.6.8 and your processor's bit type. Then download the exe and install. Make sure to add Python to path. After Python installs, run cmd as an administrator, then do py-3.6-m install TensorFlow. After that installs, do py-3.6-m install Discord. After discord.py installs, do py-3.6-m install TextGen-RNN. Next, create a new text file and paste your training data for your Discord bot. In this case, I'm using chapter 5 of Machiavelli's The Prince. I recommend you to add a large amount of training data for your AI to train on. Next, create a Python file that will be used to create your Discord bot. First, we are going to import the necessary Python packages, so first type import Discord, then press enter. Then type from TextGen-RNN, import TextGen-RNN, then press enter. Then type from discord.exe, import commands, then press enter. Then type import string, after that press enter. Next type import request, then press enter. After that type import time, space, threading, then press enter. Then type import asyncio, then press enter. Finally type from pathlib import path, then press enter. Next we are going to make the actual program. First type my_file equals to path with a capitalized P. Next place parentheses and inside that place quotations. Then inside the parentheses and quotations type /textgen_rnn_weights.hdf5. This line is stating the path for our training data that would be needed later in the code. After finishing this line, press enter. Next type prefix is equal to, in quotations, your bot prefix. And type bot is equal to commands.bot. Now in parentheses type command_prefix is equal to prefix, then press enter. Now type async_def and your function name, then type parentheses and colon. After that press enter, and if your text editor doesn't automatically indent, use 4 spaces. Now type await space bot.wait underscore until underscore ready, then parentheses, and hit the enter key. Now type channel is equal to bot.get underscore channel parentheses, then press enter. This is for stating the channel that the bot is going to run on, which we will add later. Now type while not bot dot is underscore close, then parentheses and a colon, which is our while loop so that the bot runs in the background forever until the bot is closed. Now press enter, then indent. Then type if my underscore file dot exists, then parentheses and a colon. Now press enter and place an indent. Then type t is equal to TextGen-RNN and add parentheses, and inside that add quotations. Inside those quotations type TextGen-RNN_weights.hdf5. Now remove the indent and type else and colon. Then press enter in the indent. Type t is equal to TextGen-RNN and parentheses. This if and else statement is for the bot's training file. Initially, TextGen-RNN does not have a training file, so the bot has to create its own. But after creating the training file, the bot can store training data which it can use to help with the training process. The if and else statement is for automating this transition so that we don't have to edit the code later. Then press enter and remove the indent. After that, type t.train_from_file. Then put parentheses, and inside those parentheses put quotations, and inside those quotations put your text file with your training data. After the quotation with a text file name inside of it, type a comma, then type num_epochs, which is equal to 1. Num_epochs processes the file. This happens before every time the bot attempts to put out a message, so that it can improve over time. Now type generation is equal to, add parentheses, and inside those parentheses type t.generate, then another set of parentheses, type 1, space temperature is equal to 0.5. Return underscore as underscore list and set it equal to true, then comma. After the parentheses put square brackets and inside that type 0. This will generate a string that Discord embed can interpret, which is in between temperature 1, which generates extremely ridiculous and broken grammar, and temperature 0.1 with extremely plain grammar. Now press enter and type embed is equal to discord.embed with a capital E place parentheses, and in those parentheses type title is equal to, in quotations, whatever you want your bot's message title to be, then comma, description is equal to generation. Then comma, color is equal to, in parentheses, whatever you want your embed border color to be. This is the Discord embed, which is the output for your AI. Then press enter. Then type await channel.send, in parentheses, embed is equal to embed. After typing this, press enter. You must type await space unsyncio.sleep and in parentheses the delay between each message in seconds. In this case, I put 1800 seconds, which means that there is a 30-minute delay between each message. Now press enter and remove any tabs. And type bot.loop.create_task and in parentheses text generator. And put another set of parentheses after text generator. This is for looping our function in the background. Now we must get the channel we want the bot to post to. So enable developer mode on your Discord account by clicking on user settings, then clicking on appearance. Then scroll down until you see developer mode and switch the slider to on. Now press escape. Now right click on the channel you want your Discord bot to output to and click on copy ID. And place this channel ID inside the parentheses after bot.get_channel. Now you must get the bot token. On your bot page, click on copy, then paste it in the quotations inside the parentheses after bot.run. Now go on to the Discord permissions calculator in the description below and paste the numbers after /applications/ into the dialog box. Now you can add any necessary permissions. I am making it an administrator just for test purposes, but I recommend you enable the permissions send messages. Now copy this link into a new tab and invite the bot to the server. Now to run the bot, open CMD and go to the folder that your Discord bot is located in. Now type pi-3.6 and your bot's Python file. Bot should automatically start processing our text file and it should be able to send a message. Now we are done. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye!